There are few rules as fundamental or strong as the law of vibration. Including our own ideas, feelings, and deeds, it is a rule that controls the universe. All stuff in the cosmos is continually vibrating at a precise pace, according to this rule, which is called the vibrational frequency. But how does this impact our situation? How can we put this information to work for us so that we can achieve our goals? In this video, we'll delve into the law of vibration and discover how to become an expert at it, so you may bring all your desires into your life. All matter, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies, is believed to vibrate at some constant frequency according to the law of vibration. This encompasses not just actual things, but also intangible ideas and concepts. There is a vibrational frequency for everything in us, including our ideas, feelings, wants, and aspirations. The idea of unique frequency is much more interesting. Every material thing and mental concept has its own unique rate of vibration, much like a radio station has its own unique frequency. The frequency in question is dynamic. Rather, it changes throughout time as a result of several variables. For example, your emotional state and mental processes have the potential to alter your vibrational frequency. Emotions that are positive, like love or happiness, have a high vibrational frequency, whereas emotions that are negative, like rage or fear, have a lower frequency. At its heart, the rule of vibration is this peculiarity of frequency. The secret to being an expert law student and realizing the law's full potential lies in comprehending it. You may find the law of vibration to be abstract and unrelated to your life and experiences, but there's more meat to it than meets the eye. This law's foundational concepts come from the field of quantum physics. A simplified explanation from quantum physics is that, at the quantum level, the tiniest size of our reality, everything is energy, and vibration occurs wherever energy exists. This is more than a theoretical framework. It affects us deeply emotionally and has far-reaching consequences. Emotional health can improve with knowledge of and practice of the law of vibration. You may cultivate more pleasant feelings and experiences by deliberately selecting concepts that resonate at a higher frequency. There is nothing more to it than energy, as Einstein famously said. None of that applies here. This is science. When it comes to making our dreams a reality, this remark highlights the significance of our ideas and feelings. The law of vibration is just as important, if not more so. When we tune our minds to the frequency of what we want, we attract more of what we want into our lives. Reminds me like fine-tuning a radio. Rock music won't play on the same frequency as classical music. Just as you can't attract good things into your life via negative thinking, you also can't attract good things into your life through fearful thinking. You may improve your ability to materialize your wishes and ambitions by learning to control your thought frequencies and understanding the law of vibration. To become a master of the law of vibration, you must first become aware of your present vibrational condition. It's like assembling a cake. You need all the ingredients before you start baking. Prior knowledge of your starting point is essential. Find out what your vibrational state is via one of several techniques. Your feelings are a reflection of your ideas and, by extension, your present vibrational frequency, which you may study. In general, would you say that you're in a good, bad, or neutral mood? Taking note of the caliber of your encounters and conversations is another excellent strategy. Do they tend to be amicable or full of strife? Your present vibrational state can be better understood with the help of these observations. Being self-aware is crucial for controlling your vibrations. Your vibrational frequency may be changed when you are self-aware and actively control your thoughts and emotions. Imagine a ship's captain responding to wind conditions by altering the sails to keep the ship on track. In a similar vein, being self-aware allows you to steer clear of emotional turbulence and effortlessly reach your destination. Allow me to lead you through a little interactive activity. Relax and breathe deeply as you close your eyes. Pay close attention to who you are. Inquire about your current emotional state. Are any feelings coming to the surface? Judgment is not the point. The key is to tune into your present vibratory state of mind. It's a first step in being more self-aware and becoming an expert at gauging your vibrational state. So, breathe deeply once again and tune into your own frequency. We now know exactly where we are. In the next 5 minutes, we will investigate ways to raise our vibration. Vibration is powerful because methods to manipulate it may be simple, quick, and have a huge effect. What follows is a list of 3 tactics you may use right now to raise your vibrations. Establishing a regular breathing routine should be achieved first. Breathing in and out isn't the point. Taking slow, deep breaths can help you center yourself and return your focus to the here and now. Devoting oneself to an act of thankfulness is the second method to investigate. Delve deeply into your past and present. Please tell me anything for which you are really thankful. Something as simple as the taste of your favorite food may provide immense joy. Something as profound as the unending devotion of a pet or the priceless friendship of a close friend can have a profound impact. A heart full of gratitude not only feels good, but it also vibrates at a high frequency. You may raise your energy frequency and cultivate a more cheerful mindset by focusing on and appreciating these good aspects of your life. Thirdly, we will explore visualization as an art form. Rather than just daydreaming about what you need, I encourage you to imagine them as physical things. Imagine clearly a future in which all of your dreams have already come true. Do you sense the overwhelming happiness, the tingling thrill, or the deep feeling of fulfillment? Dwelling on these feelings is more than just fantasizing. By bringing your energy into harmony with your aspirations, you are harmonizing your vibration. It's a powerful strategy based on the idea that our thoughts may create the world we see. It is time to put theory into action. Pick one of these methods and give it a go right this second, I dare you. Turn off the screen. Just try it out and see how you feel once you've finished. Pay attention to any changes in your mood or energy level. If you want to learn how to use the law of vibration, this is where you should start. Keep in mind that the mind is paramount. You are manifested by your thoughts. The great one. We need to do something to become what we really want. The tremendous capacity to transform our perception and engagement with the world lies in unleashing the law of vibration. You may materialize your wishes in ways you never imagined possible once you take the first step of synchronizing your own vibrations with your goals. We need to intentionally tune our energy frequencies to resonate in harmony with our deepest desires. Just like a sail catches the wind to smoothly cross the great sea, a transformational path that is everything from passive is required, as is focused and deliberate desire. Importance of purpose cannot be emphasized enough. Our ideas, deeds, and, in the end, our reality are all shaped by our intentions. Our dreams may become a reality if we direct our attention and energy on them, sending a message to the universe that this is what we want. Never forget that focus is the source of all energy. As a result, everything in the cosmos pays attention and works together to grant our wishes. But you shouldn't believe me if I say so. Think about all the examples of people who have used these concepts and had positive results. Consider Jim Carrey, who famously wrote a check to himself for $10 million for acting services, but didn't cash it until after Thanksgiving 1994. By the end of 1994, he had kept the money in his wallet until he got a role in Dumb and Dumberer, which paid him $10 million. What this example shows is how important it is to focus one's intention and energy on one's wants in order to materialize them, and how powerful it is to match one's vibrations with those wishes. The boundless potential that is inside each of us is borne witness to by this shining example. Put yourself in Paulo Coelho's shoes and remember, Everything in the cosmos works together to help you get what you desire when you set your mind to it. A vital component of being an expert at the law of vibration is making specific adjustments to your way of living. You may speed up the manifestation process by using them to greatly increase your vibrational frequency. Here are the top places to eat, things to do, and foods with a high vibrational frequency. Produce that is both naturally fresh and organic, such as fruit. A strong vibrational energy is associated with nuts, seeds, and vegetables. These meals are great for you since they are full of nutrients and also help cleanse your body, which means your energy flows more smoothly. Your vibrational frequency can be significantly influenced by physically active pursuits like yoga, meditation, and going for walks in nature. Mindfulness, inner tranquility, and balance are fostered by these activities, which in turn promote a pleasant vibration. Surrounding yourself with positive energy is essential. One way to do this is to surround yourself with good people who raise you up and add to your energy. Another is to simplify your home and add natural elements. Let us discuss the power of a grin, which is both simple and profound. Aside from making you feel happier, smiling also raises your energy level. The physiological effects of stress can be reduced and the heart rate lowered by smiling, according to research out of the University of Kansas. On top of that, it becomes an even more powerful ally in your manifestation toolbox by enhancing optimism and efficiency. Put some joy into your routine and watch as everything falls into place to help you achieve your dreams. Even the most ardent adherents to the law of vibration might be misled by urban legends and misunderstandings, as is the case with any deep idea. The idea that one can instantly bring their wishes into physical form by only thinking happy thoughts is a prevalent fallacy. Thoughts that are accompanied by positive emotions are what really power the manifestation process, even though positive thoughts themselves raise your vibratory frequency. Disregarding this emotional component frequently results in expectations that are not met. In addition, a common misunderstanding is that practicing the law of vibration entails escaping from the outside world and dwelling inside. Having said that, attaining vibrational alignment should in no way mean letting up of the material world. It is equally important to remain grounded on this spiritual path. We stay rooted when we practice mindfulness, tend to our real-world duties, and cultivate personal relationships. We may better actualize our aspirations without severing our ties to the world when we strike a balance between aligning inside and engaging outside. Keep in mind that the law of vibration is not a way out of reality, but a potent instrument for molding and bringing to fruition our most profound aspirations. By being steadfast in your pursuit of greater vibrations, you will discover that the cosmos, with its boundless knowledge, will support you every step of the way. Intentionally shaping your reality becomes possible when you go on a profound path of self-discovery and change by mastering the law of vibration. We have repeatedly stressed the need of grounding yourself in reality while pursuing higher vibratory frequencies, keeping your emotions in alignment with your ideas, and the critical requirement of preserving balance in your spiritual path during this illuminating inquiry. This law is more than just a way to get what you want. It's a tremendous instrument that, when deliberately used, may reveal a universe of limitless potential and possibilities that you could never have imagined. The path to vibrational alignment is a marathon, not a sprint, of self-discovery and progress. Keep that in mind as we near the end of this illuminating and life-altering adventure. Doing so calls for unfaltering self-confidence, boundless patience, and relentless perseverance. Now is the time to start living in harmony with your emotions, cultivating an optimistic outlook, and maintaining meaningful relationships with those around you. 1,000 miles begin with one step. As the sage Lao Tzu once stated, you should start your personal path to becoming an expert in the law of vibration right now. Keep the enormous cosmos in mind. Words are prepared to meet you in the middle. Do you feel fully prepared to welcome the cosmos with open arms?